recording? All right. This is Dr. Richard Pepper and Dr. Colin Pibb. With us is General Mills, and we are about to begin the autopsy on the unidentified life form found in crash site 51 in Roswell, New Mexico. The life form is roughly 1.5 meters in length, 89 pounds, 7 ounces, and has a cranial circumference of 45 centimeters. Dr. Pibb, if you will begin the initial incision.
Beginning initial incision.
We are cutting into the alien life form's torso.
The creature has a very sponge-like sort of tissue.
We are nearing the stomach. There appear to be peanut butter candies in the alien. Are there any organs in there?
I'm still looking. Here.
The candies seem to have a hard coating.
Well, the Reese's.
Hey, they don't say the brand name. Yeah. Well, maybe they're not in the torso. Maybe it's in one of the limbs.
Yeah.
It's your piñata?
I had 2 piñatas. I tied them to a weather balloon and they got away. You ruined my party.
What?
What party?
My party over in Mexico. We were going to have chalupas and gorditas and margaritas and Dios mío.
Get the fuck out of our secret base.